I just made $17,000 in 21 days from a sales page I didn't write. Claude AI did, and while I was officiating a wedding and handling 2 babies, it pumped out 4 more sales pages in 24 hours. The most insane part? This entire video you're watching right now was created with AI. I'm not actually here recording this. HeyGen and ElevenLabs created this video while I focused on running my business. The script was written with Claude and Poppy AI, the research was done with Google Notebook, and my AI clone is delivering it with HeyGen and ElevenLabs. Today, I'm sharing the exact 5 AI tools that have transformed content plus marketing inside my business, and specifically how I use them to get real results. No hype, no exaggeration, just the real tools I use every day and the actual systems I've built around them. Tool number 1, Claude. Claude is my go-to AI writing assistant, particularly for long-form, high-stakes content. While everyone focuses on ChatGPT, Claude has become my secret weapon for sales, copy, and complex content. I just made $17,000 in 21 days from a Claude-written sales page for a $97 product. We're projecting $500,000 plus from this funnel this year alone. What normally takes me 2 to 3 days was done in 2 hours. Here's my exact Claude process for sales copy. First, I create a Claude project and upload my best performing content. Then I record a 10-minute audio brain dump about my product and offer. I transcribe that and add it to the project resources. Next, I have Claude create a detailed outline based on past winners. I let Claude ask questions to improve understanding. I answer those questions, transcribe, and add to the project. Finally, I have Claude write copy section by section. Here's how I use Claude strategically in my business. For sales pages, I feed it my best performing pages and have it create new variations. For email sequences, it crafts entire nurture sequences based on my voice and best performers. For ad copy, it generates variations for testing different angles. My top 3 Claude tips. Always train on your best performing content, not mediocre work. The more context you provide, the better the results. Let Claude ask questions. It often spots angles you might miss. Tool number 2, HeyGen. HeyGen creates AI videos featuring a digital version of yourself. This is what you're watching right now, not me recording, but my AI clone delivering content. I'm using HeyGen to create all my short-form content across platforms. This entire video was created using HeyGen while I focused on other business tasks. We're producing 10 times more content without additional time investment. I can focus on other stuff that actually moves the needle, and there's no burnout because of continuous recording. For a quick avatar creation guide, use 3-point lighting and a clean background, record approximately 5 to 10 minutes of footage speaking directly to camera, include various expressions and natural movements, test the initial avatar, and make refinements if needed. Here's my content system with HeyGen. I create 10 to 20 scripts at once using Claude and Poppy AI, then I upload all scripts to HeyGen and generate videos in parallel. I create multiple versions with different messaging approaches. Finally, I test with small audiences and scale what works. My top 3 HeyGen tips: script specifically for AI delivery, shorter sentences work better. Create background templates for consistent branding. Always manually review before publishing. AI can still make mistakes. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs creates a digital clone of your voice for videos and audio content. This voice you're hearing right now is my AI voice clone created with ElevenLabs. I pair ElevenLabs with HeyGen for completely automated video production. The voice in this video was generated by ElevenLabs working with my HeyGen avatar. We use it for all of our short-form and long-form video content. For a quick voice cloning guide, use a good microphone in a quiet environment, record at least 5 minutes of continuous speech with varied tones, include your common phrases and industry-specific terms, test with sample scripts, and refine if needed. Here's my HeyGen plus ElevenLabs workflow. I write the script using Claude and Poppy AI, then I generate the voice using ElevenLabs with appropriate style settings. I upload to HeyGen in sync with my avatar. Finally, I review and export the final video ready for publishing. My top 3 ElevenLabs tips: record when your voice is at its best, usually morning. Use punctuation strategically to create natural pauses. Create multiple voice styles for different content types. Tool number 4, Poppy AI. Poppy AI specializes in creating video scripts that capture your unique voice and style. It analyzes top-performing content to replicate successful patterns. I use Poppy AI for all my video scripting needs. The script for this video was created using Poppy AI. Here's my exact Poppy AI workflow. For competitive analysis, drag in 5 to 6 viral videos in your niche. Ask, analyze these videos, what makes them engaging? Get detailed analysis of winning patterns in 30 seconds. For voice analysis, upload your past videos that performed well. Ask, analyze my speaking style, tone, pacing, etc. Get breakdown of what makes you sound like you. For script creation, ask, create a script based on viral patterns but using my voice. Review outline and add your own personal touches, and get final version in 60 seconds. Why Poppy AI stands out? It has ChatGPT, Claude, and other AI engines built in. The group feature lets you train it on multiple examples at once. It learns your voice patterns better than any other tool. My top 3 Poppy AI tips: always analyze at least 5 high-performing pieces of content. Save successful prompts as templates for future use. Create a master voice group that you continually refine. Tool number 5, Google Notebook. Google Notebook, part of Gemini Advanced, transforms research into interactive conversations. It helps me stay on top of industry trends without spending hours reading. I use Google Notebook for all my research needs. The research for this video was done using Google Notebook. My top 3 research strategies with Notebook: for competitor intelligence, upload competitor content, and ask about their USPs, content themes, and audience pain points. Create a competitive analysis in minutes instead of hours. For market trend analysis, upload industry reports and news articles. Ask about emerging trends and opportunities. Transform hours of reading into actionable insights. For content research, upload background materials on your topic. Ask for compelling data points and counterintuitive insights. Generate content angles most creators would miss. My top 3 notebook tips: upload diverse sources on the same topic for balanced perspective. Ask the same question in different ways to get varied insights. Connect research findings directly to action steps. These tools work together as a complete content creation system, and here's exactly how I used all 5 tools to create this very video. Research phase. I used Google Notebook to research topics and analyze competitors. Content planning. I use Claude to develop structure and talking points. Script creation. I use Poppy AI to craft the script in my voice. Voice generation. I used ElevenLabs to create voiceover in my voice. Video production. I used HeyGen to generate the final video with my avatar. And the real business impact has been massive. It hasn't just helped me sell online and produce a lot of content, but it has also saved me hours, which has ultimately resulted in me focusing on revenue opportunities for the business. And so before I leave with these tools, here are the key takeaways. AI isn't just about writing content, it's about learning from your best work. The more context you give it, the better it performs. Start with your winners. Don't train AI on mediocre content. These tools work best as an integrated system, not in isolation. For implementation guidance, start with one tool that addresses your biggest pain point. Focus on quality inputs. AI is only as good as what you feed it. Build your system incrementally, connecting tools as you go. Let's be realistic about expectations. Will you get the same results I did? Maybe, maybe not. The process I shared works, but results depend on your offer, brand, and execution. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to implement. Subscribe for more videos on AI implementation strategies. This is Anik reminding you that when life pushes you, stand straight, smile, and push it the heck back.